All right. So, quantum shifting experience. How does this all work? Right. So, a few months ago, we did a live 2 day immersion event virtually. All right. And what it did is, if you guys enjoyed the 5 day challenge, this one went deep, like really deep, because there's only so much that we can cover in 30 minutes a day. Right. Really, there's just so much. And the goal of the 5 day challenge was to give you guys as much tools and resources that we could, in case you guys can't do more. But if you want to go deeper, that's just the tip of the iceberg. It gets deeper. So we recorded that 2 day immersion virtual event, right? And the cool thing is that the first round changed a lot of lives. A lot of people that went through it, we went through diving deep into how do you create quantum shifts in the mind, and not only talking about how do you do it, what are some of the techniques, what are some of the exercises, so people were able to learn really firsthand the things that did work. So we did that with the quantum shifting in the mind, and then we actually dove deep into quantum shifting the heart. Right, it's just a section in there, huge section, and we go deep into there, and then also learning about quantum energy healing. All right, so all three of these we dive deep into 2 days. And typically in the past, we don't do a lot of these, virtual 2 day events. We do it face to face and in person. And with everything going on around the world, where a lot of people can't travel, we have to find a way to bring this information from our home to yours. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter if you can travel or not. You're able to get this advice. You're able to get these tools right now to help you with whatever you're going through. And I figured, what better time to do this than the new year, right? Because when we're going through the new year, a lot of times people are like, okay, I'm going through the new year, and they expect something different. They expect something different in their lives, right? But without really changing anything, right? And for me, that's not been the case. I've always known that if I want to change the outcome of tomorrow, I've got to have new tools. I got to do something different. I got to think differently. I got to show up differently. I got to release all the blockages that don't serve me, and I've got to just really bring in more positivity and more resources, more positive energy, and just more mental, emotional, energetic tools, so I can have the tomorrow that I want, right? So that is the goal. That was the intention here. Is like, the first round did really, really well. This next round we're gonna do it right into the new year to help assist you guys, right, into the building the life that you want, and for it to happen quickly this year. And as you all know, you're only one quantum shift away from the life that you want. I mean, I've seen it over and over again. Clients that have gone to me and Mandy's workshops, they go in there and they have one thing they're working on. Maybe it's the relationships. They're stuck in a toxic one. Maybe it's the level of abundance that they have in their life. They hit a ceiling. They can never keep abundance in their life. Maybe it was their purpose work. Maybe it was that they were having problems with their relationship with their family members or their kids, or someone was sick, or whatever it is. And what ended up happening, like every single time after they go through 2 days or 3 days of our workshops in person, they would leave, and by the time they've left, they've created the shift, the quantum shift, and they've gotten results right on the spot. And that's how this entire 2 day program is built. It's built to give you results that you would normally get if you did it for years or decades, and we're compressing it in 2 days, giving you guys rapid fire, only proven tools and techniques and methods that me and Mandy have used in our lives, like in the last 15 plus years of learning this, handing it over to you. And this is the same ones that we teach in our workshops, where people have to travel. And when people travel to our workshops, it's from all over the place. I mean, people traveling from Egypt, from Europe, from Hawaii, from all the way from Japan. I mean, it's all over the world, and they come and they learn this stuff. But again, given our unique situation happening in the world, that's not really an option right now. So we're bringing this to you guys, so you can do this from the comfort of your home. All right. So this is an exciting thing. And again, if you're watching this, I'm about to go over the different packages that we have, how it works. But if you're in a rush and you're like, you know what, I already know I want to do this, I have the link. You can check it out. And when you go there, the cool thing is, like I said, universe and success loves speed. So for the first 25 people who enroll, doesn't matter what package you choose, the first 25 people who enroll in our in this quantum shifting experience, you're gonna get a really, really, really cool bonus, and it's called Quantum Mind. It's a brand new 30-day program that I recently put out, and it goes over. And this one you have immediate access to. Like you want, like today you have access to it, right? And what it does, it goes over literally in a 30-day period. You get a video a day for 30 days going over how to rewire your mind for abundance, for success, for love, for joy. And yes, we all know the mind can either be your greatest asset or can be one that can self sabotage you in every single attempt to make your life better. So that's one of the bonuses I'm going to give away. I mean, it's one again. This program is one that is brand new. I haven't officially launched it to the public in a typical launch fashion, but when we do, it's going to be around $300 or more is the price point. But you're getting it free if you're the first 25 people who enroll, and you also get access to it today. Right? So head over in the link if you are ready. And here, let me go over what happens. Okay, so if you go to the link that I have, and you can go in there right now, or I can explain to you in a second how it works. What ends up happening is there's three options that we have there. Three options, and the three options that we have depends on where you are right now and what your goals are. Right, what your goals are. So the first option that we have is the general admission, right? And this is just you when you enroll in that, you enroll for the upcoming recorded workshop that we have this Saturday and Sunday. Okay, 23rd and 24th. Okay, we're gonna have a workshop like in all the videos that we recorded in the live version. Like, it's perfected. We know it works. People have gotten results from them. We've gotten lots of success stories and testimonials from that group. It's gonna be aired again this Saturday and Sunday. So if you want to just have a 2-day, like literally 2-day, deep dive, and you have all this information, and you're literally, all we're doing for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, is rewiring your mind, rewiring your heart, rewiring energy, showing you how to do quantum shifts, showing you how to remove the blockages, giving you all the tools, leaving no stone left unturned, so that by the end of that you have the tools. Not only do you have the tools, this is not designed for you to just, oh wow, I'm learning stuff. It is designed to create a transformation, a quantum shift, with you during this time period. And you know what? Yes, if you are not able to attend this Saturday and Sunday, you will have access to these videos for life. You'll have access to it for life. You can revisit it as many times as you want, but it's a powerful jump start for the year. So that is the general admissions. If you want to do that, and that's all you want to do, amazing, go join that, and that's gonna rock your world. Okay, I know, not just because it's worked for me, it's because the last round that we did, people were like in tears, celebrating, sharing their success stories, and I know it rocked their world as well. So this is one thing that you're gonna get access to. Okay, and then if you want to go a little bit deeper, and you're like, you know what, I want the jump start, but 2021 is like, it's an entire year, and you want consistent, just motivation and learning and progress, then I would suggest you get the middle package, the gold package. Okay, and this one is you get the 2-day virtual event that we're going to be having this weekend. Okay, and on top of that, you're going to get a year-long program, a combination, best of both worlds. Me and Mandy, is called Quantum 365, right? Quantum Shift 365, where you get a video a day from her at the beginning and then me towards the end, and it goes over everything that we've talked about in greater detail. Quantum shifts in the mind, the heart, energy, so on and so forth. Imagine, if in the last 5 days you've been getting a lot of breakthroughs, aha, and it's giving you hope and momentum. Imagine what would happen if you get a video from her, and also from me. It depends. It depends on the topic that we talk about. It's either getting her or me. But every single day, this entire year, for the next 365 days, right? It's providing you with the information, the motivation, the tools, the resources, so that every single day you're learning something new and you're moving forward. And that's one of the best things that I've learned from a friend of mine. Okay, and this guy, really successful. He grew his company from 0 to 100 million in 18 months. And one of the best advices that he gave to me was, Oliver, when you're trying to succeed, don't try to be like, I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna do 200% better, 300% better. He says, all you gotta do is become 1% better every single day, because it doesn't look like it. But if you compound it every single day, 1% better. I forget the math. It's like you're 3,000 or I think close to 4,000% better if you annualize it, compound it over a year. Like, it's far greater, like, improvements than if you just try to, oh, let me double my success, and it's being such a high barrier that you might not hit it all the time, versus like you just have to be 1% better every single day. And that really stood out to me, right? And that's what this is about, is giving you guys a video every single day, and you get 1% better every single day, and by the end of the year, you look back and your life is never the same again. Never. You look back and be like, wow, like, and I've grown so much in that year. So that's another thing too, right? So if you pick the middle package, you get the 2 day jump start, like really immersion into quantum shifting, and then a year long of just support, of continuous support. Because a lot of times, like, we need that reinforcement, we need that reminder, we need something that really guides us to get to where we want, especially if we're around people or environments that are just not positive at all, right? We need something else, other than that, to really learn and be exposed to every single day. So that is the middle option. And for those of you who want to go all in, we do have an amazing another option again. And this specific option that we have here is one to where is a platinum package. All right, and with this one is literally, like, right now I do a 8 week energy healing certification program. Okay, and this one, we have one starting in February. But with this one, it's 8 weeks, and people learn how to figure out where their blocks are energetically within their body, and they figure out how to remove them. They learn my system. And I remember I told you energy is the fastest way to get there. When I told you guys the story of I made more in a day than in a year, it was with energy. Right? So you're going to learn my system. You're going to learn how to do clearings and energetic clearings within yourself. You're going to learn how to do it for other people as well, friends and family, or if you're in business and you want to do it for clients, you can do it for them as well. You're going to learn how to do that. You're going to learn how to do it in person and also remotely. All right, so you're going to learn the exact system on how to clear energetic blockages. That's number one, right? And also, as part of this 8 week energy certification program, you're also going to get a clearing and a gift activation. Okay, you're going to get actually two, right? And this is one of the only programs where I am doing this for people. You get in a group setting, which has been my favorite and has been super effective. Okay, and you're gonna get, like, literally clear whatever your top blockages are that's stopping you energetically from getting the life that you want. We're gonna do a clearing and removing those blocks for the highest good of all. And then also we're gonna do a gift activation, to where your spiritual gifts, the ones that you need to get to where you want, the ones that guide you in life, we do an activation, and I'm gonna teach you what it is, and I'm gonna share with you what your primary spiritual gift is. All right, and there's five of them, and I'm going to be sharing with you which one your gift is, how to use them, and also activate them. So you're going to walk away from this experience knowing how energy works on a very, very deep level, knowing how to know where you have energetic blocks, know how to remove them, and creating quantum shifts energetically. Because I know, and you know, and I've shared this with you, that energy is the fastest way to get to where you want. And if you want to stay there, you work on your mind and your heart. And that's why, like, the cool thing about this is that this is the whole package. If you do this, you get a deep dive into practicing, how to become an energy healer. At the end of 8 weeks, if you do the homeworks and all that stuff, you show up, you get a certificate in the mail. You get a energy healing certificate in the mail. A certified GeoLove healer, right? So you get this, and the cool thing is the price that you see for this is the price that we normally have now. But when you join in this, you get everything. You get the Quantum 365 daily videos. This is worth 1,000. You get the 2 day quantum shifting experience event worth 400. So literally, you get close to $1,500 worth of bonuses if you join in our platinum package. Where you get it all. Where you become you get the 8 week energy healing certification program that you go through starting in February. You get the year long Quantum 365 mastermind, where every single day for an entire year you get a video, and you also get the 2 day deep dive immersion of the quantum shifting experience that's starting this Saturday. You get all of them. Pretty much, the two of them, the first two are free, because right now, as is, people are joining and enrolling in the certification program, the energy healing one, for the same price, and they don't get those bonuses. But for right now, if you enroll, you get that, plus you get the 2 day event and the year long program. So If you are excited, like, go ahead and check out the link. And again, the cool thing about it is the first 25 people who enroll, also get the bonus of the Quantum Mind. Okay, 30-day program on how to rewire your mind quickly and easily for success, abundance in all areas of your life. All right, so that's about it. I just wanted to make sure that I went in here and explained everything that you guys will receive. The link is on this page. Like, you click on that, you're going to see the page with all the different packages and offer. Go ahead, check it out now. That's about it. And we'll probably hop on to do a live Q&A. If you guys have enough questions, just post it here, and we'll do a live Q&A one of these days. Other than that, thank you so much. I'm excited for all of you to get to join us in this next chapter. Thanks for joining us in the 5-day challenge, and I'll see you in the next video.